Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Marketing YouTube channel. In my previous videos, I have explained how to create Google Ads account, how to create Google search campaign. In today's video, we will discuss what is the difference between Google search network, Google display network, and what are Google search partners. So whenever we create a new campaign for search, we come across a setting to select Google search network, display network, or search partners. So let's go to that setting first. So whenever we create a campaign, it first asks for the website goal. Our goal is website traffic right now, and then it asks for the type of campaign we want to create. Right now I am only making videos on search campaign, so we will take a type as search campaign, but in my future videos I will surely explain to you how to create other type of campaigns like display, shopping, video, and discovery. So with the search we will continue, and now it is asking for the website on which you want the traffic. So here is my website. I will enter its URL and we will continue. So now it is asking for the campaign name. We will give a logical campaign name so that we can find it easily in the account that which campaign I have created for which client. So my campaign name would be Lakshya Yoga and Meditation, because the website is related to yoga and meditation, and it would be easy in the future to find my specific campaigns related to specific clients. So now we will talk about these three settings: search network, display network, and Google search partners. So when we opt in only for the Google search network and want to show our ad only on Google search network, not on Google search partners or Google display network, in that case we opt out these two options. We will not select these options. By default these options will be selected. Whenever you will create a campaign, these options will be selected by default, so you have to deselect this option. You have to remove these checks so that you can only show your ads on the search network. And when we talk about search network, we will discuss where the ad will show on the search network. First let's go to search engine. I have typed a query in the search engine like online doctors. So now the results are here. First is ad. As we can see here, ad is written in front of this URL. Someone is advertising, because of that their ad is appearing on the top. And there are other search results as well. These are not paid ads. So there are two types of traffic which we generate through Google search. One is organic and another one is inorganic. So Google ads comes under inorganic traffic, and the traffic which comes through SEO is called organic traffic. Now you can see the ad is here in the search results. So whenever we advertise on the search network, our ad will be appeared on the Google search engine results, as well as it will appear on the Google Play Store. Let's go to my phone screen and then we can see how the ad will be appeared on the Google Play Store.
So now I have switched my device from laptop to mobile screen to show you how the Google ads will look in the Play Store, or whenever an ad is served on the Play Store from search network, how it looks. We will go to Play Store, we will search for some option like food delivery apps, and now it is showing us several search results. First two are ads. How we can recognize? In the second line you can see ad is written, and similarly in the second app of Domino's, in the second line again ad is written. As compared to other search results which is Swiggy, Zomato, the ad is not written in the second line. That means first two are ads and other are the organic results. Now we will see what are the other type of ads are running or are being shown in the Play Store. Here we can see ads suggested for you. These are the suggested apps. So these are the also ads which are running through the campaigns. Let's move down and we will try to see if there are some more. So there are some more ads. If you can see, suggested for you, India's highest rated app.
Now we have seen how the result will be shown in the Google Play Store. It will also be shown on the Google Images, Google Shopping, and other Google platforms like Google Maps. So this is all about the Google Search Network. Now we will move forward and talk about the Google Search Partners. What are Google Search Partners and how our ad will perform if we will opt in for this option specifically. Let's say the advertiser don't want to advertise on the display network and he opts out, and now he only wants to advertise his ads on search network and on Google Search Partners. By including this option, include Google Search Partners, we increase the reach of our search ads to the hundreds of non-Google websites as well as on YouTube and other sites. Let's say AOL is a search partner with Google and we search for digital marketing classes on AOL search engine. Now the results are here and you can see here it is mentioned that ads related to digital marketing classes. That means if I opt in for this specific option, our ad might appear in the AOL results as well, and there are several other search partners. AOL is just only one example. There are other search engines as well which are partnered with Google, and when you opt in this option, your ad will be shown to these platforms as well. So in case if you want to generate more and more traffic and you want to reach so many customers and so many people, so you can include this option. It will give you a good results. And in the future, if you want to opt out in future, if you think and analyze in your campaign that the traffic generated through Google Search Partners is not relevant and you don't want to show your ads and don't want to waste your money on Google Search Partners, then in the future as well you can opt out this option. You can select, you can go to this settings of networks and you can deselect this option from here, and you will be opted out from the search partners and your ads will not be shown anymore on the search partner. So now we will talk about the third option, which is display network, and it also expand your reach by showing ads to the relevant customers as they browse through websites, videos and apps across the internet. So display network is very interesting network and very vast network. Apart from search engine, there are so many websites and so many apps and other platforms which are included in the display network. So now if you opt in for this network, your ad will be shown to so many people. For example, let's go to any website. I have already opened a website. It's economictimes.com, and here if you will see, if you will hover on these banner ads, you can see here it is written that ads by Google, and there is one more ad on the right side. If you can see, ads by Google. So these are the display ads. These will be shown on the other websites and YouTube channel or other app platforms. Let's take one more example. I have already opened one more website, Times of India, and here we will try to find whether we can see any display ads or not. Let's scroll up. Let me reload it, and we will try to find whether a display ad is here or not. So here is one ad we found, Fitzy live online classes. So if you will hover on this eye icon, you can see ads by Google, and when you will click on it, you can see ads by Google clearly. So these are the display ads which are in type of banner and in type of different formats. You can see while you browse through different websites and videos and apps and other things and other platforms. So on the basis of your history, the kind of products you browse, the kind of services you take, the kind of interests you have, your habits and other things, on the basis of that, Google shows you ad which is relevant to you. Google doesn't show you irrelevant ads. So it is only when you are interested in such products or similar products, Google will show those ads to you. So now let's talk about the ads which are displayed on the videos. Let's say I was watching this video and came across this ad. These are the overlay ads from Google. So now let's take one more example of display ads on YouTube. Here is the overlay ad which is being shown to me while I was watching the video, and this is from the tubebuddy.com because I was searching about the tool, about the tubebuddy.com, so that's why on the basis of my previous history the ad is being shown to me. So when you will click on this eye icon, it will clearly show you a message. This ad is based on the video you are watching, websites you have visited, your activity on Google on this device. Because I have visited tubebuddy.com through this computer, through this laptop or through this login ID, on the basis of which it is showing me the relevant ad. So here we can see there is one more ad on the same platform. On the right hand side you can see an eye icon. Why this ad? So this is one more example from the Google display ad. The ad is based on the topics or the website you have browsed in the past. This is one more example of the display ads. So right now we are in the Gmail box. I will like to show you how the ad looks in the Gmail box through Google Display Network. So here you can see first two are ads in your inbox in the social tab. So the Gmail ads will be shown only in two tabs, which is social and promotions. First is social. So these are the two ads on SCM Rush and Infolinks Media. And then in promotions, there are two other ads. One is Google ads and other is TikTok ads. So they both are promoting because I have visited their product. I have seen their website. On the basis of that, it is targeting me on the display network. Gmail is a part of display network. So now we are in the campaign network setting where we can see the search network, display network and Google search partners again. So I would like to introduce two new terms to you. One is pull marketing and another one is push marketing. In terms of search network, when the user is specifically searching for your product or services or goods, then they are ready to buy, and it's called pull marketing. When the marketer is pulling the customer who are already interested in similar or same product, so this is called, and they are actively searching as well, this is called pull marketing. And when it comes to display network, here we try to find new customer or engage your existing customers who visited your website or similar product. So in this case of display marketing, display network, we call it push marketing. In display network, it can help you to capture someone's attention earlier in the buy cycle. Even before they are ready to buy, we show our ad so that customer can consider it. Customer can know there is a company or there is a product available in the market. So you put your ads in front of people before they start searching for what you offer. Hence it is called a push marketing, because the marketer push customers to buy their products by showing their ads when they are not searching. When they are not actively searching, they are browsing other websites, YouTube channels or apps. So in the end, the conclusion here is how we will figure out which type of a network or which type of a setting we should opt in. If your client has enough budget and they want to reach more and more customers, even on the display network and on the search network, so you can opt in for display network as well. Otherwise, if your client has limited budget and limited reach he wants, so you can opt out from this display network, and he will be getting relevant traffic and relevant reach, which is in the search network and in the Google search partners. Even if they want to specifically exclude Google search partners as well, so that their reach remains specific to the Google search engine only, Google search network only, so you can opt out this one as well, and he will get strictly relevant traffic on his website. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notification whenever I upload my new video.